Welcome to my channel Moto Vision Hub. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R9 stands as a bold statement of how futuristic performance and classic inspiration can live together in perfect balance. From the very first glance, this motorcycle demands attention with its sleek proportions, aerodynamic bodywork, and distinctive presence. Yamaha has taken the essence of its R-series DNA and infused it with a retro-inspired soul that celebrates the brand's rich heritage. The fuel tank carries an iconic shape that feels familiar yet modern, and in the ultra-shiny Intensity White with white-and-redline accents, the machine looks more alive than metal. Every line on this motorcycle is intentional, flowing with a sense of speed and power even when the bike stands still. The bold YZF-R9 lettering on the side and the original Yamaha logo over the tank make it clear that this machine carries lineage, pride, and performance in every inch. The front of the bike showcases a classic round LED headlamp that blends old-school character with new-age brilliance. This design choice adds a unique identity to the R9, creating a mix of retro charm and futuristic personality. The headlamp, paired with retro-styled fenders and sci-fi-inspired contours around the fairing, gives the bike an instantly memorable face. Riders will appreciate the high-tech digital-analog dashboard interface, which mixes the tactile satisfaction of analog-style dials with the clarity and precision of digital displays. It offers everything a modern rider needs while preserving the timeless riding feel Yamaha fans love. The frame and chassis tell their own story of craftsmanship. The retro-inspired structure flows smoothly into modern sculpted shapes, revealing a perfect blend of rigidity, strength, and elegance. The oversized aggressive tires wrapped around black sporty rims give the motorcycle a muscular stance, ready for performance and adventure. These tires not only add to the bike's intimidating look but also provide exceptional grip and stability, supporting riders through sharp corners, long straights, and challenging roads. The single-piece seat adds comfort while maintaining the sleek, sporty profile of the motorcycle. This bike is more than a machine. It is a carefully assembled fusion of design philosophy and technological innovation. Yamaha created the YZF-R9 not only for speed but for an emotional connection between rider and machine. Every detail from the tank shape to the chassis curves carries a sense of refinement and intention. When you sit on the R9, the riding position feels natural and confident, with ergonomics tailored for both thrilling performance and long-distance comfort. It's a motorcycle built for those who want both style and substance. To highlight its beauty, the 2026 YZF-R9 is imagined inside a luxurious ultramodern showroom environment. The pristine white reflective floor enhances the shimmer of the Intensity White paint, while warm ambient ceiling lights add depth to the bold red accents. Elegant light gray walls with subtle golden details surround the bike, creating a premium atmosphere that elevates its presence even further. This setting allows the motorcycle's design to shine at every angle, emphasizing its futuristic yet timeless identity. The environment avoids harsh monotone tones, instead presenting a vibrant, high-end vibe that complements the R9's artistic engineering. On the road, the YZF-R9 promises a riding experience that connects power with grace. The chassis responds with precision, allowing riders to push the bike confidently while maintaining smooth handling. The suspension setup absorbs imperfections effortlessly, giving the rider stability and control. The engine performance, though not described here mechanically, is expected to embrace Yamaha's thrill-packed R-series philosophy: responsive, powerful, and refined. Whether cruising through city lights, carving through twisty mountain roads, or racing down long open stretches, the R9 adapts naturally to the rider's expectations. This motorcycle does not just stand as another entry in Yamaha's lineup. It represents evolution. It is a reminder of how far motorcycle design has come and how deeply riders still value classic simplicity. The mix of retro and modern, the harmony between bold styling and functional engineering, and the balance between comfort and aggression all reflect Yamaha's commitment to creating machines worth admiring and riding. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R9 is a perfect fusion of elegance and performance, offering riders a sense of freedom, excitement, and pride. Its appearance is stunning, its personality is bold, and its identity is unmistakable. The Intensity White and Redline finish gives it a premium aura, while its sculpted frame and modern dashboard create an unforgettable riding presence. It is a motorcycle that celebrates the past, embraces the present, and pushes confidently toward the future. Riders who choose the R9 are not just choosing a bike, they are choosing an experience, a journey, and a connection that only Yamaha's craftsmanship can deliver.